Hello everyone, my name is Ispaydez. I am a Python backend developer. Today I will show you two tasks for my project. The first task is optimizing the database with indexes and the relationships. The second task is adding Swagger documentation for the API. As you can see, first task, the task second is adding optimization techniques with indexes and the relationships. Task third is using Swagger documentation. My first task is index optimization. First, I add DB index true and the unique true to my model fields to make queries faster. Here is my code. As you can see, it's my data structure, database structure, application, chats, meetings, and so on. Next one is relationships, as known as foreign key. I added a foreign key to connect to models, and they used on delete models cascade to delete related records. I worked also with many-to-many relationships. Here is example code. University moderator connect with user. Relationship is one-to-one field. Next task is Swagger documentation. And then I added Swagger documentation using the deriv spectacular library. First, I configured settings in settings py. As you can see, REST framework, default scheme class equals deriv spectacular, and the spectacular settings inside all description, our project. The description beta carrier Technopark. Title is beta carrier API version, as you can see. Next one is installing library. Named as deriv spectacular and the deriv spectacular sidecar. Next one is URL endpoint. Documentation schema, it's my authorization endpoints. GVT token pair, as you can see, just token. Documentation schema, job application create schema, endpoints. Summary create a job application, description, as you can see, and code status and response strings. Next one is views, and I create the scheme for job application in the view. It's my Swagger UI. All endpoints are here. The faculty moderator, faculty, and the schemas, and the request format via Swagger UI. It's token request endpoints. As you can see, we fill in some data, information about user. In the Swagger UI, I can test all endpoints, including creating job applications. For example, I send a request token and check the response. The conclusion: as a student, I learned how to optimize a database for better performance using indexes and the relationships. I also added Swagger optimization, Swagger documentation to make API easier and easy to understand. This will help other works with the project in the future. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.